In this video guys, I will show you step by step how to log in on Industrial Bank of Korea. So guys, go to Google and search for this keyword Industrial Bank of Korea and then look for this result. When you click on this result guys, you see this page. Click on the relogin page. After that, click this icon, this option. Click on this option guys. When you click this option, you see three options here. This is for workers guys. When you work for this bank, you can sign up from here or log in from here. On your case guys, just click this icon. If you work on the bank, click on this one. Just click this one. When you click this one guys, you should be give this all information, your ID and password. From here, write your ID guys, and from here write your ID and write your password, your pass code. So guys, write this code and the date of birthday and click confirm option. For example, this one, and this for date of birthday, and click this option. This is how you can do guys. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video for more